In an ideal society, the need for military might and weapons of mass destruction would be eliminated. However, there is a diverse range of awe-inspiring military vehicles available to the world's armed forces. Their skills match those seen in the most inventive superhero and Mad Max films. Indeed, some of these machines' accomplishments may certainly challenge Iron Man himself. Despite their brilliance, not all innovations have been successful. Can you tell which of these experimental and tactical vehicles did not make the cut? 1. Unmanned ground combat vehicle. The Crusher is an autonomous ground combat vehicle known for its rugged adaptability and superior off-road skills. It was designed to explore difficult terrains independently and can also be controlled using video game controller inputs, providing intuitive operation. This modern military equipment is intended to carry out perilous missions in settings that are too dangerous for human soldiers. The Crusher improves operational safety, efficiency, and effectiveness by leveraging sophisticated autonomy and remote control technology, making it a valuable asset for completing reconnaissance, surveillance, and target acquisition operations without putting troops at risk. Its creation represents a huge leap forward in autonomous vehicle technology, with the goal of reducing human losses in conflict zones while retaining high mission success rates. 2. M104 Wolverine Heavy Assault Bridge. So, the M104 Wolverine is a super awesome armored vehicle that can save soldiers' lives when they need to traverse rivers or other problematic water bodies. Imagine this beast rolling up and, at the stroke of a button, deploying this gigantic bridge so that troops and vehicles can cross in no time. What's especially impressive is how rapidly it can build the bridge on its own without putting any soldiers in danger during the deployment. Aside from being fast, it has rugged mobility to go to where it's needed, even in harsh conditions, and it's built to withstand whatever comes its way. The Wolverine's capacity to lay down a bridge autonomously is a game changer, making it an important factor in keeping the army going ahead, regardless of the challenges they confront. 3. Jabaria Defense Systems Multiple Cradle Launcher. Jabaria Defense Systems delivers an impressive addition to the UAE Army's arsenal, the Multiple Cradle Launcher, a devastating force on the battlefield. This vehicle, outfitted with an incredible 240 rocket tubes, is the pinnacle of artillery deployment effectiveness. Its importance on the battlefield cannot be overemphasized, as it was designed to provide overwhelming firepower across a large area. The Multiple Cradle Launcher has proven its worth in previous battles, most notably during its deployment in the Yemeni Civil War, where it demonstrated its capacity to provide unrivaled support and firepower in critical situations. This technology enables the quick, simultaneous launch of rockets, ensuring that the UAE Army may deal a concentrated and deadly blow to its foes, substantially altering the dynamics of ground combat. Given that it combines overwhelming strength with precision and velocity, such a high-volume, effective launcher offers a strategic advantage that emphasizes its significance in contemporary warfare. 4. Fennec Armored Reconnaissance Vehicle. The Fennec, an advanced armored reconnaissance vehicle, is vital to the operations of the German and Dutch militaries. Designed for agility and precision, it excels at quick deployment and information collection, providing unrivaled speed that allows forces to stay ahead of their opponents. The Fennec is well armed with machine guns and grenade launchers, allowing it to defend itself against light and medium threats while ensuring the crew's safety during reconnaissance missions. Its cutting-edge surveillance capabilities are a major component, allowing for the acquisition of critical intelligence using high-tech sensors and cameras. Furthermore, the Fennec is designed to withstand nuclear, biological, and chemical warfare, adding an added degree of defense in dangerous circumstances. The Fennec's mix of speed, armament, and superior observation, as well as NBC warfare protection, make it a vital tool in modern military operations, considerably improving the tactical awareness and defense capabilities of the soldiers it serves. 5. Caspian Sea Monster Experimental Craft. The Caspian Sea Monster, legally recognized as a Soviet-developed experimental ground effect vehicle, GEV, is still a fascinating chapter in aviation and maritime engineering history. This huge boat, built to glide at high speeds just above the water's surface using the aerodynamic ground effect, marked a daring experiment in combining the features of airplanes and ships. The project's enormous size ultimately hindered it, despite its novel methodology and potential to transform coastal transportation and military uses. This constraint not only caused considerable obstacles in terms of maneuverability and practical deployment, but it also led to the project's failure to progress from an experimental marvel to a functioning asset. The Caspian Sea monster's failure to progress beyond the experimental stage highlights the complexities and problems inherent in pioneering new technologies, particularly those that strive to push the boundaries of conventional design and usability. 6. M3 Amphibious Rig Bridging Vehicle. The M3 amphibious rig is a super awesome bridging vehicle that can practically build its own bridge across water. Imagine being able to cross rivers or lakes without a bridge in sight, and then the M3 shows up and fixes the problem in no time. Although it resembles something from a spy film, it is real and extremely cool. Armies from various countries have obtained it because, let's be honest, the ability to send troops and tanks over water without hesitation is a game changer. The M3 does more than just make living simpler. It also makes operations more efficient. It's very amazing how it transforms from a car to a floating bridge that can support a lot of weight. So whether it's during peacetime or in the midst of battle, the M3 amphibious rig is the go-to for crossing the water. 7. Kyler Mine Clearing Vehicle. The Kyler Mine Clearance Vehicle is an essential instrument in modern military operations designed to protect soldiers and vehicles by properly clearing minefields. It uses a sophisticated flail system in which revolving chains with attached weights strike the ground, securely detonating mines ahead of ground forces or convoys. This tough vehicle demonstrates its critical function on the battlefield, reducing the threat of landmines and allowing safe transit through previously impenetrable or dangerous locations. The Kyler operation combines physical force and precision engineering, enabling the fast neutralization of mines, saving lives, and maintaining the tempo of military advances. Its value to military operations cannot be overemphasized, as it dramatically minimizes the risks associated with landmines and explosive ordnance, underscoring its important role in safeguarding lives and facilitating successful operations in mine-affected areas. 8. Tupolev Tu-160 Strategic Bomber. In aviation history, the Tupolev Tu-160 is remembered as a symbol of power, speed, and technological supremacy. This strategic bomber, nicknamed the White Swan due to its sleek, intimidating appearance, is the largest, heaviest, and fastest of its type, a tribute to human innovation in the domains of military aviation. It was a powerful chess piece on the global strategic board that the Soviets created during the height of the Cold War, capable of hitting distant targets with terrifying speed and precision. Its design lets it carry a large payload, making it an important tool for long-range strategic bombing missions. The Tu-160's ability to fly at great speeds across continents, combined with its ability to deploy a lethal arsenal of armaments, emphasizes its role as a guardian of the skies and a deterrent to aggression, weaving its story into the fabric of contemporary military history. 9. Navy LCAC Landing Craft Air Cushion. The Navy's Landing Craft Air Cushion, LCAC, is a marvel of modern military logistics, capable of quickly transporting personnel, vehicles, and equipment across both water and land. Riding on an air cushion, this hovercraft-like watercraft excels at rapid deployment, reaching regions inaccessible to ordinary ships thanks to its unique ability to traverse beaches, marshes, and even rugged terrain. With its outstanding speed and large load capacity, the LCAC keeps military operations flexible and responsive. Its ability to transport huge payloads, such as tanks and large groups of soldiers, directly to the shorelines of battle zones or disaster areas, considerably improves operational efficiency and tactical advantage. The LCAC exemplifies innovative engineering by allowing for seamless transitions from sea to land operations. 10. Willys Jeep. Once upon a time, amid the chaos of World War II, a hero on wheels emerged, the Willys Jeep. This agile vehicle quickly became the backbone of the Allied forces, transporting soldiers, communications, and hope across Europe's harsh terrain and beyond. Its tough construction and unmatched dependability made it vital in the heat of combat, giving it a place of glory in military history. The Willys Jeep was more than just a vehicle of transportation. It represented freedom's drive, representing the resilience and inventiveness that changed the tide of war. And there you have it, a journey through the world of 10 insane military vehicles that have shaped the landscape of warfare and beyond. From the groundbreaking Crusher to the iconic Willys Jeep, each vehicle carries a tale of innovation, courage, and technological prowess. As we've explored the realms of autonomous combat vehicles, strategic bombers, and amphibious rigs, it's clear that the genius of human creativity knows no bounds. So that's it for today's video. If you like this video, make sure to like it and hit the subscribe button.